Hello everyone. In today's video, Sun Farm will introduce you to a farm where the lives of millions of ducks are surrounded by the wonder of agriculture and love for animals. Stretching across the vast fields of America, this farm is an unmissable destination where the secrets of how ducks are cared for, nurtured, and processed are revealed. Join Sun on this journey in today's video as we delve deeper into the farms that raise millions of ducks and the factories that process these ducks. Let's explore the mysteries of this large duck farm. With endless rows and columns, step into the farm pens where ducks are cared for and nurtured daily. This is not just their shelter, but also a friendly and safe home, specially designed to ensure comfort and health for each duck. The spacious, well-ventilated pens filled with natural light provide an ideal environment for comprehensive duck development. Clean water and quality food are provided regularly, aiding in their healthy growth and fulfilling lives. Additionally, temperature and humidity control systems are carefully adjusted, creating an ideal environment for their development and reproduction. Let's discover the world inside the farm pens, where care and love for the animals never cease. Some features of duck farming in Asia today include a shift from traditional farming systems to enclosed indoor farming models. The floor system has been successfully developed to meet encouraging industrial production demands, animal health requirements, ammonia control, and environmental protection needs by converting livestock waste into organic fertilizer. More ducks are being raised in enclosed pens with tightly controlled temperature and humidity management. In fact, these environmental factors determine all other technical parameters such as growth rate, feed conversion efficiency, and animal health. Food plays the most crucial role in helping ducks develop comprehensively and meet standards. Imagine standing at the gate opening to a magical world of modern farming in America. This farm is not just an ordinary duck farm, but a duck empire, with millions of birds being cared for and nurtured daily. From afar, you can see a series of modern duck pens where fresh air flows and the sounds of ducks echo through the vast space. This is not just a farm, but a perfect meat production system meeting the increasing demands of the market. It is considered a symbol of technological progress and modern management. The farm not only produces duck meat, but also serves as an attractive destination for those interested in learning about the world's leading food production processes. According to experts, the prospects of the duck farming industry in the coming years are very positive, especially for breeding models to produce high-quality products. There is a strong structural shift towards focusing on high-quality food and safe living. This aligns with the general trend of the livestock industry and consumer-level development. Consequently, large-scale duck slaughterhouses are being developed in chains to meet the growing needs of the population. Entering the agriculture industry in America, duck farming is not just a profession, but also a journey full of potential and benefits. With the development of technology and modern management, duck farming has become a stable source of income with significant benefits for farmers. It not only provides protein-rich and nutritious food for consumers, but also creates a large economic value chain. Duck farming also contributes to ecological balance and sustainable agricultural development, creating thousands of job opportunities and boosting local economic growth and livelihoods. With such significant benefits, duck farming is not just a profession, but also a meaningful mission in the development of American agriculture and society. The process of duck development from small to large is meticulous, requiring careful care and management to ensure the best development and quality for the final product. The development process from duckling to harvest is a detailed and specially cared for process. Initially, when they hatch, ducklings need to be kept warm and provided with suitable food to enhance their health and growth. During this stage, the nutrition mainly consists of protein and nutrients to help them develop strong bones and muscles. As ducklings grow, they are transitioned to a high-energy diet to promote rapid growth. Simultaneously, their living environment is adjusted to maintain suitable temperature and humidity, ensuring stable health and reducing stress. During this process, ducks are regularly checked to detect health issues early and adjust their diet and care if necessary. Taking care of ducks and maintaining cleanliness in duck farms is an extremely important and meticulous process in the poultry industry. Duck farmers need to regularly inspect and clean the pens to ensure a clean and safe living environment for the ducks. This includes cleaning up duck droppings daily, removing leftover food residues, and regularly changing drinking water. Furthermore, controlling the environment in the pens is crucial. Duck farmers must maintain appropriate humidity and temperature levels to prevent dampness that can affect the duck's health and create an ideal environment for bacterial growth. The wastewater drainage system and waste treatment are also prioritized and maintained to keep the farm area clean and prevent environmental pollution. Providing high-quality food and clean drinking water plays a vital role in duck care. Food storage must be done properly to avoid mold growth, and the diet must be nutritionally balanced to ensure healthy duck growth. Regular changes of drinking water are also necessary to maintain freshness and prevent diseases among the ducks. In conclusion, taking care of ducks and ensuring cleanliness in duck farms is not just a daily task, but also a significant responsibility for duck farmers to uphold duck health and produce high-quality duck meat. When ducks reach the appropriate size and weight, they are moved to the harvesting stage. This process is usually carried out professionally and carefully to ensure the best meat quality. After harvesting, duck meat is processed and preserved to keep it fresh and safe for consumption. Duck feed includes the following groups: energy-rich feed, protein-rich feed, and mineral feed. The feed must always be fresh, mold-free, and nutritionally balanced to meet the duck's development needs at each stage. Proper feeding times stimulate ducks to eat more, improving feed conversion efficiency. At the farm, duck nutrition is carefully and scientifically designed to ensure their healthy growth and high-quality meat production. Carefully selected feed meets their nutritional needs at each development stage, providing a balanced combination of proteins, carbohydrates, and various minerals for healthy growth and stable development. Feed for ducks typically includes energy-rich ingredients like corn, barley, and soybeans for daily activities and muscle development. Additionally, protein sources like fish meal, soybeans, and rice bran are added to support muscle and bone development. Moreover, duck diets are supplemented with vitamins and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and vitamins to promote comprehensive development and enhance immunity. Thanks to such a balanced and nutritious diet, ducks on the farm not only grow healthily, but also produce high-quality meat, meeting market demands effectively. Inside large-scale duck slaughterhouses, millions of ducks are processed daily with advanced technology. The global demand for duck meat is increasing, with Asia being the main producer. The nutritional value of duck meat compared to chicken meat is still debated, but duck meat is generally considered to be nutritionally balanced. Duck meat is not only popular in Asian countries, but also gaining recognition in European countries like Hungary, Germany, the Netherlands, and France due to its nutritional benefits. This continuous increase in duck meat imports in Europe is a strong driving force for the development of duck farming and slaughter. Have you ever enjoyed duck meat? What dishes have you tried? Feel free to share in the comments with Sun to let us know. When ducks reach the appropriate weight, they are transported to slaughterhouses. The process of slaughtering millions of ducks is done in closed facilities, ensuring food safety and hygiene similar to chicken slaughter. Duck processing plants are modern facilities equipped with advanced technology to handle millions of ducks daily. Every operation is carried out carefully and accurately to ensure food safety and the quality of the final product. The duck processing process starts with hanging them on a production line, where they are prepared for bloodletting, feather removal, and cleaning. Then, ducks are cut into pieces and processed according to specific customer requirements. All steps from receiving ducks to packaging and shipping the final product are either automated or performed by skilled personnel. With a perfect combination of advanced technology and expertise, duck processing plants are not just places for large-scale processing, but also symbols of safety and quality in the food processing industry. Sun Farm's video ends here. If you found our video helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to not miss out on future videos. Share this video with your friends and family to spread valuable information about ducks to everyone.